If you have gizzard at home, let's make this delicious, flavorful gizzard recipe. Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Amaka. If this is your first time coming across to my video, my page or my channel, you are highly welcome. And please thumbs up this video and share it to your friends and families, and do well and leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. Again, sit back and relax. Let me take you all along. Keep watching. Here are all the necessary ingredients we'll be using to make this colorful recipe. I have sesame oil, I have soy sauce, I have onion, bell peppers, Maggi, of course, our main ingredient, which is the gizzard, oil, habanero pepper, cornstarch, and so on. So here you want to make sure you cut your gizzard according to your preference, all right, and make sure you wash carefully. So here we're going to add our all-purpose seasonings, meat seasonings, and soy sauce. You want to go ahead and add sesame oil. Again, I'm adding a little bit of honey. You can skip any of this if you don't want it. We are adding ginger paste, we are adding diced onion, we are adding 1 Maggi cube, and we are adding parsley and a little bit of olive oil. You want to add paprika and mix together. Here we're going to wrap this with cling film, and we're going to allow it to marinate for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Cutting the bell peppers. In an empty pot, you want to transfer your marinated gizzard, fresh rosemary leaves, and habanero pepper. So now our meat is cooking well. I'm going to be checking on the meat from time to time to make sure it's cooking well. So now the meat is where I want it to be. And now I'm scooping out some meat broths for later use. And I'll also transfer the meat in a different bowl. In the same pot, I'm going to add extra virgin olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Add in ginger paste. And now I'm going to add in my sliced onions. And allow to fry for a bit. And we are going to transfer our minced peppers. Add in extra onion if you wish. And stir fry. While this is frying on a low heat, we are going to prepare our sauce/gravy. Into the meat stock we took out earlier, I added a little bit of all-purpose seasonings, sesame oil, soy sauce, a little bit of sugar, honey, and stir well. Now I'm adding a little bit of cornstarch, and I'm going to stir as well. You want to take your time to mix this. Mix, mix, mix. Now I'm adding a little bit of barbecue sauce. This is absolutely optional. And I'm adding a little bit of oil. Add a little bit of water and stir, 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 and put aside. Back in the pot, we are going to transfer the gizzard we took out earlier. At this point, I added the sauce we prepared earlier and microwave the rest for about 30 seconds for later use. And we are going to mix well. So here I'm adding the remaining bell peppers. I'm going to mix well. A pinch of salt and mix well. Finally, I'm going to add 1 knorr cube. Give it about 2 to 3 minutes and our gizzard sauce is done. You can pair this with spaghetti, you can pair this with rice, you can pair this with any food of your choice, okay? And we paired this with spaghetti and rice, and it was absolutely fantastic. Like, it was so flavorful. delicious and like out of this world. Would you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. Please share and like and leave your comment in the comment section, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.